Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your job alert preferences on LinkedIn step by step clearly. To verify your job alert preferences on LinkedIn, start by opening the LinkedIn website or app. Log in to your LinkedIn account with your credentials. Navigate to the home page once you're logged in. Look for the jobs icon at the top of your screen and click on it. In the Jobs section, locate the Job Alerts option on the left sidebar. Click on Job Alerts to see a list of your current alerts. You will see the jobs for which you have set alerts. Review the job alerts to ensure they align with your career interests. If you want to update an alert, click on the pencil icon next to it. Adjust the job title, location, or other preferences as needed. Make sure to specify how often you want to receive notifications. After making changes, click on Save to apply your updated preferences. If you wish to delete any alerts, click on the trash can icon next to that alert. Confirm the deletion when prompted to remove the alert permanently. To create a new job alert, click on the Create Job Alert button. Fill in your desired job title, location, and any additional filters. Once completed, click Save to activate your new alert. You can manage all your alerts in this section at any time. By following these steps, you can effectively verify and customize your job alert preferences on LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.